Hey everybody, it's Mark from Jackson Jet Setting. I just wanted to give you all a quick tour of our Stateroom 8122 on board the Disney Dream. This is a family deluxe stateroom with veranda, so let's check out the full tour here. So obviously 8122, it's on deck 8. It was located roughly midship towards the aft part of the vessel. So as you walk in, there are some nice closets here to hang up some of your hanging clothes or store some luggage. This is also where you'll find the safe as well as your life jackets. It's where I find on every cruise those life jackets always in the closet there hidden away. Hopefully never have to be used. And then a secondary closet that had a little bit more room for your hanging clothes so they weren't hanging on the shelf there. So I love these Disney cabins because they have separate bathrooms. So the first one as you walk in has a sink, the toilet. So that keeps things a little separate for families. I really love that. Some nice soap there. And then separate from that is another sink, and this actually has the shower as well as sort of a mini tub. Not really big enough for an adult, but if you have kids coming, that's excellent. And I love the rainfall shower head at the top. So one of the best showers I've definitely had on board any ship. So there's that king bed. Really one of the most comfortable beds I've ever had on board any ship. Can't recommend that bed enough. And then they have a pull-out couch there as well as a bunk bed that can come down from the ceiling. Small TV, not the most impressive TV I've seen on board. Nice little mini fridge there that did keep some drinks cold. Lots of storage for, your clothes during your voyage. Some plugs over there right below the mirror. And then just some glassware. I did wish that they had some, refillable water or something like that some cruise lines offer. That would have been helpful. And then here is the veranda. So I will say that a lot of ships kind of have a more open veranda. This one, just for whatever reason, had a little bit more cover, but plenty of room there to hang out and enjoy the ocean views.